guys, I'm on here quickly. Merry Christmas to everyone. To show you the journal that I made using Lorna's kit. This is the Industrial Grunge Journal using the Industrial Grunge kit from Lorna at taylormadejournals. And I have a key and a gear on the outside. A little Tim Holtz person. Some gears. A label from Shabby Dabby Doodah. I used Lorna's journal stamp that I got from her, little puppy dog. And this little print here is from Adamo Prints on Etsy. And this is just an embossed piece of cardstock, and used the distress inks over the top, and then sealed the top of it with clear embossing powder. And I've just got a brown eyelet here. But I just used the actual pages and stuff from her kit. And I also used the Tim Holtz abandoned papers. So I got this little piece here. And a little tag that I made. With some stitching on the back. I also used 2 pages from Crafty Cat's Rust and Numbers kit. And this is just a coffee dyed envelope. And I've got a library card. In here using Tim Holtz ephemera. And a little tag. Little tuck spot. Journaling card. Tag. Using Tim Holtz tape, this washi tape. Got tabs. I've got this little, I made like little banners, but I made a paper clip out of it and attached ribbon to it. Got a tag on the back. Just some random washi tape and some stamping. Journaling card. And a tag. And this is a belly band that has 2 journaling cards in it. Just some coffee dyed paper. Some more coffee dyed paper. Another tag. And a journaling card. And this was made for a gift for our Dirty Santa. My nephew ended up with it, so I'm kind of glad that he ended up getting it. He loved it, so. Another journaling card and a little tag. Both can be written on. Little page tabs. Just stamping on coffee dyed paper. Another little tag. This page here is from Crafty Cat's Rust and Numbers. So that page and that page. The rest of the pages are from Lorna's kit, which I absolutely loved, and I'm pretty proud of how this turned out. I used a Tim Holtz distresser on all of the pages and inked around those too. Little tag. Journaling card. I'm sorry, you can hear my dogs in the background. They're being silly. It's the other part of the Crafty Cat's kit, Rust and Numbers. So a journal card here. And a couple of smaller tags. Or a medium-sized tag and a small tag. Some more coffee dyed paper. little tuck spot with another journaling card. Multi-pocket made using a coin envelope, 2 tags, and a couple of journaling cards. In the back. So I got a couple of journaling cards and a big tag here. In that one. Mainly because there was quite a bit of room. Even though the belly band wasn't gusseted or anything, there was still quite a bit of room in between. The other half of the envelope with a couple of tags in. These have just been sewn on. Cards. Another belly band with a tag and a card in. And the back pocket with a large journaling card. And in the back is just kind of plain, but I used this brown ribbon that I had to tie it closed, but I'm just pretty pleased at how it all turned out. And so I just wanted to show mainly Lorna, because I did promise that I would show her what I made using it. I wanted to actually film the whole process on camera, but I got sick during that time, and when I was better, I had to hurry up and finish it so I could have it ready for a birthday present, Christmas present. But anyway, there it is, and I will see you guys back here really soon, and I hope you have had a wonderful holiday. I love you guys. Bye.